Did you know that Deltek Vision now integrates with MailChimp? Full Sail Partners integration allows your marketing department to quickly create an email list with the click of a button. No more exporting and importing information. Simply create a marketing campaign, add contacts and leads to the record, and when your list is ready to be deployed, marketers can immediately enable data to flow, creating a new email list in your email program. It's that simple. Once the list is created, simply connect it to any email campaign and deploy your message. Does your firm send out newsletters? Simply use the same marketing campaign and add new contacts before the next newsletter push. Our integration allows you to manage one list while seeing results for each campaign. When you're ready to see and report on results for your email campaign, our integration pushes data back to Vision, saving your marketing department time and money. Easily monitor your communication success by tracking clicks, opens, bounces, unsubscribes, and forwards. In the cloud? Not a problem. Our integration is easy to deploy and the only integration of its kind requiring minimal involvement from your IT department. Using another email marketing program? Let us know. Start creating a richer environment through the use of Full Sail Partners connectors. Visit our website at www.fullsailpartners.com/MailChimp for more information about Full Sail Partners integration.